Why didn't you tell me that was in there?
On January 15th, 2023, police pulled over a vehicle for driving the wrong way, but this was anything but a normal traffic stop.
It's not coming back in the system or anything. You don't have your wallet with you?
No, I don't have that.
We're...
Jaden and Jesse? It's not popping up?
No. Jaden, can you step over the car quick? Can I talk to you over here?
Yeah.
So your name still isn't coming back. Is there a reason for that?
No, you can look me up. I'm like Jaden Jesse.
You have it on Facebook?
Yeah, I'll show you right here.
I believe you. It's not popping up for some reason.
Right there.
Okay. And then, like I asked her, is there any weed in the car?
No, you can check the car.
Like okay. Do you have anything on you?
No, you can check it.
All right. These glasses.
Hello.
Got a vape.
No.
Okay. Why didn't you tell me that was in there? It's got a gun. Get on the truck! Get on the truck! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, take it, bro. Knock it off. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get him. Get him. Set the radio. I got it. It fell out.
I'll retain.
Okay.
Yep. Relax.
Relax, bro.
Relax.
Okay.
Got
Relax. I got him. All right. You're good. You all good?
Yep. Get him.
Hey, get out of the car now. Okay.
What are you touching me for?
Put your hands behind your back.
You have a gun? You don't. Hey,
Put your hands behind your back.
just because he did all that, you don't have the right to do all this to me. You cannot arrest me.
You're under arrest right now. You're being detained.
I didn't do anything. You
Over
can't. You cannot do this to me.
Come over here.
Hey, you can't. I know my fucking rights. You can't do.
Yes, I can.
No, I didn't do shit. You can't do this to me. I didn't know he had. I didn't know he had that. You cannot put me in this car.
Have a seat in there.
I don't have to get in there.
Have a seat in the car.
You're kidding me right now. I didn't do anything.
Have a seat in the car now.
You can't put me in here.
Oh, slamming me. What the f*** y'all slamming me for? The f*** is the three of y'all on me?
Alright, man, are you hurt at all?
Yeah, I'm hurt. What are you talking about? It's George Floyd. Fuck what y'all say in my face for. And I'm checking these cameras, so I need to know the location.
Where are
my
you?
daddy. You talking about? No, let me up.
Where are you hurt?
Let me up.
Where are you?
Let me up.
Relax.
Let me. You tase me. If you tase me, I'm retaining you. So I'm not doing that. Let me up. That's all I ask.
We're just gonna
Let
pat
me
you down.
the up and take this gun out of my motherfucking pocket. Like y'all want. On me.
Sir, you need to back up on the street. You can record. You can record. Just stay there.
Record this for them. On me.
What are you doing? Do that.
Why did you
double lock these cuffs. Stop.
Stop fucking tying my hands.
No, he's doing it so they don't tighten.
Stop it. Hey, you right here. Stop. I want you to touch me. Stop. Only
Okay.
let one officer touch me.
double lock the cuffs.
Don't.
Otherwise, they'll let them lock him, or they're gonna cinch up. Okay, please let him do that. Please let him do that.
Okay, I only want this officer on me. Please just let you talk to me. Please. I respectfully. Respectfully, please, sir, just let this officer touch me. I don't need three officers.
I'll double lock.
I'm not, okay, double lock it.
Can you roll just on your stomach just for a second?
I just want you to touch me, okay? Please, sir, tell your friends.
I will.
Tell your partner. Yes, take my gun out. It's right there. Take the gun out.
Okay. All right, I gotta double lock him. Can you
You
just
got
roll on
the
your
gun.
stomach?
There's nothing in there. There's nothing up top.
Hey,
just let one officer touch me. That's all I ask. I'm gonna cooperate as long as you cooperate with me. Okay? I'm gonna cooperate with you guys as long as you cooperate with me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
For a second.
Thank you. Okay, now can you double lock him?
Yep.
You don't. I'm not
I
gonna run. I'm not gonna do no more. I'm done. Okay, you guys got me. This is what you wanted.
All right, you need to lift up your hands.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
All right, they're on the other side. So
I'm sorry, sir. I just want you to touch me. You're the only one cooperating with me and being respectful. I don't like disrespectful officers.
Can I gotta pat you down.
Yes,
quick,
pat
okay?
me down. There's nothing more on me.
And then we're gonna get you up out of the road. I don't want any of us to get hit.
Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna sit you up.
Just let me. Yeah.
All right.
Now grab behind me. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
This is your phone?
Yes.
All right. We'll just take a seat here, man. Can I take a look at the nose?
Y'all all
What do you
slamming me.
What do you feel for pain? What do you feel for pain?
Why y'all just stop touching me?
Hey.
Stop You're touching me. Stop touching. Tell your friend to stop touching me.
Guys,
I only want you to touch me.
Okay.
You don't have no reason to touch me. You don't have no.
Stop. You gotta stop.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. He's holding my hand up.
Hey,
Let go.
he let go. He let go.
Let me go.
Look at me. He looked at
Let
me.
me go.
It's just me. It's just me.
Let go. Let go. I don't want him to touch me. You. I don't give no fuck. You're a disrespectful officer, little piece of shit.
Relax.
You ain't gonna be nobody in life.
Where?
You're gonna be fired. Yeah. No more lacrosse for you.
Stop.
You wanna be bad officer?
Relax.
I ain't did
I know. You're
nothing. I'm just recording for my boy's safety. I don't even know him. I don't know him. I don't know. I'm from the whole other state.
Too close.
I back up. Y'all gotta slam me. I can check me. You can check me and all. I put my hands up. I ain't got no scrap or nothing. Yeah, go ahead and check me. No, I can be close to all I want. No, y'all can check me. I don't got no weapon or nothing. That's my homeboy. I can be close. Check me. I don't got no weapons. I'm not a threat. I'm not a threat.
You're not? No,
I'm not a threat. Check me. You gotta check me.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Exactly. I'm not a threat.
I don't want to.
So what's his problem? What's the problem? What's the
I don't
problem?
know. I just got here, man.
I don't either. I don't even know him. Exactly like I said, I don't know him.
I don't
But
know
what's
either.
his problem?
I don't know.
That probably is a problem. I'm just probably here just probably to protect him. And it's probably a problem. And I probably could be wrong.
Where do you
I
hurt?
make more money than you in a day.
Where do you hurt?
I'm 20 racks on y'all right now.
Where do you hurt?
What you talking about? Go check my
Where do
bank
you
account.
hurt?
Hey, where do you hurt at?
Where do you hurt?
And where the f is my chain, bro? On my mama.
Where are you hurt?
I'm hurt everywhere. Look at my fucking legs. Look at this shit. Y'all want to slam, mother. Pull my pants up for me.
What's your pain?
Pull my pants up for me.
Okay. Ready? Grab that other side.
All right, with your pussy ass. Pussy ass.
Can you grab that
Write
back
your
there?
name on that paper, too.
right.
I'm getting your ass. You gonna be fired.
Hey,
No more lacrosse
Hey.
for you.
stop.
What you talking about?
Stop.
You want to be big bad officer? Yeah, you go get your off. You put your hands on me. That's what you talking about. Hot. Where am I looking? Hot. Hot. Hot.
Please, I'm having a fucking panic attack. Please help me out. No, I can't breathe. I can't. Why am I in here?
Why can't you breathe?
Because I'm having a fucking panic attack. I don't know why the fuck I'm sitting in here. Can you open the door or something? Like shit.
No, we're not gonna open the door.
I didn't do shit. You guys can't put me in here.
I just got here. Right now you're detained.
Kim, no. Kim.
Do you want
I don't get no. I'm retained. Put me in the car. That's what y'all want to do. Put me in the car. I don't want medical attention. I'm perfectly fine. I want to get my whatever I'm doing. If I'm going to jail, put me in the car. If I'm not, then don't put me in the car.
Are you sure you don't want medical attention?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Y'all need medical attention because y'all chasing me and falling. Ha! Busting y'all shit. What you talking about? Y'all lucky I ain't do the dash on y'all on my mama, bro.
Okay, man.
Because y'all would have never got up with me in that car.
It's over.
It's over with.
It's over. This.
That's why your shit broke. Tase me for what? Who said they gonna take? No, don't take me to the car. I'm cooling off.
Let's get him to the car.
Can you tell them not to take me to the car, please?
Go in the car,
Stop
man.
dragging me. I'm gonna stop cussing them. Okay?
gotta take you to the car.
I'm trying to get air. I don't want to be in a car.
Deep breaths.
I don't want to be in a car. All right, I'll stop cursing. I'll stop talking to the officer.
breaths.
I'll just keep you guys taking me over here. Both of you guys, just right over here.
We gotta go in the
Gotta
car.
get to the car.
Why are you taking me to the car? Why you gotta take me to the car?
Because you're going to jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's all you
We gotta
said.
search you quick.
Okay. Now, what am I going to jail for?
Running from the cops.
Do you have any needles?
Nope.
No needles?
needles,
Nothing's
no
gonna
needles,
stab me?
no.
Okay. I appreciate it, man. I just don't want to get poked.
Now, what am I going to jail for?
While resisting and carrying a concealed weapon.
Okay, now, can I get a bail tonight?
You have a cash spot.
Possibly. Can you guys go tell the car right back there to get my bail money?
That other car?
Yes, that you guys pulled over, yes.
And we can figure out what the amount's going to be.
Okay.
Before we talk, okay?
Clear. Put down quick.
Okay.
Yeah, I can just...
Whose glasses?
Yep, we're good.
Where's my chain? That's all I care about.
It's on your neck.
It's still, is the boss on it?
Yep, right there.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put that right back here, okay?
All right, sounds good. All right, thank you. What's your name?
Officer Gelming.
All right, Officer Gentleman. All right, I respect you.
All right, man. Do me a favor and hop in.
Yeah, I got
All
it.
right, thank you, man.
Put me on the
Yep, I'm good. Are you good?
Oh, here.
Alexis, go tell Michaela to get my bond.
Are you involved with this at all?
Yeah, that's my family, bro. I'm trying to hear.
It's your family?
It's Jaden. Go tell the car back there to get my bond.
Can you roll the line so I can hear him?
No, not right now.
Okay,
Where'd you come from?
Over there, look over there.
All right, you can go back over there.
Oh, I'm trying to figure out what he's trying to say.
You can't interfere with
I'm
this.
not interfering.
You can't interfere with this investigation,
No, I'm
or else
not.
you're going to be placed under arrest as well.
I'm just trying to see what he's trying.
You need to go.
Hey, speak louder.
Go tell Michaela in the other car to have my bond money.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to go, or else you're interfering with this investigation.
His social security card, born in 07.
He spelled his name wrong.
I'm sure
And
he
gave
gave
you
it
wrong
on date of
birthday.
birth. Yeah. So that means he's 15.
Obstructing then too.
15.
07?
No way.
Born in 07.
Fake
But that's
IDs.
his, yeah, he's got a fake.
If he is 15, call JDC. Really try to sway him. Be like,
Oh, he ran with a gun.
well, mostly the gun thing.
Yeah.
Be like he's. Yeah.
The suspect was charged with possession of a firearm, evading police, and reporting a fake name. Make sure to subscribe for similar videos.